Hello and welcome to our auction. It's an eBay auction for a Panasonic electric typewriter, Jetwriter 1, mint condition. It's coming with a number of extras, 2 new ribbons. This is actually a pack of lift-off tape, I guess correction tape. There are 2 inside that look unused. 1, 2, 3 that look unused. I believe 2 or 3 in there. Plus, I see there's 1 in here. Okay. While we're looking on the inside, there we go. Also got one of those. No clue what that's for. Cover. So custom cover for covering the actual typewriter when not in use. The original instruction manual. And some sort of cleaning device. Not sure exactly what that's for. You can see that case goes right over. Sorry, trying to do this one-handed. Perfect fit. Well, thinking I'm all tech savvy, basically the only thing I could really do is turn this thing on. Not really sure what to do after that, but looks mint condition. Give you a quick tour around it. Looks like it has everything it needs to function. Here's that on-off switch. Looks like it has one of these release things on each side. Just that holds the paper. All these cool buttons. Really looks like I'm watching a NASA movie from like 1980 or something, but hey, what I understand, people are looking for these machines. I got one. Looks beautiful. We're going to start the bidding at a penny and see where things go. Alright, good luck. Thanks for looking.